Okay, so I have here Ate Annabelle, Marimar, and Ate Emma. I think Marimar will do it because she already has lipstick on, so she's ready. This is done. My audience. You can sit here. Yeah. So. Ay, Hey everybody, it's xanapea, and I am here to do another unboxing video for beautyboundasia. Yesterday's national finals was really fun, and we have another loot bag to take home with us. And I'm here. I actually have some audience beside me. There are 3 beautiful girls beside me, but they don't want to be seen on camera because it's still morning and they said they don't have makeup on. So that's why I also look like this. I just can't wait to open the box, so I had to film it early in the morning as soon as I woke up. But I woke up really late though. It's already 10:30 in the morning. Pero nakita niyo na siya kanina, siya yun. Kamay na yun.
Sikat, meron ticket.
Nakaka-ano ako, nakaka-cheat ako. Tingin ako sa monitor.
Here.
Whoa! Niacin hair system kit. Normal to thin looking for fine hair. Shampoo or like hair treatment set. Sa mga ano na paano, nakakilala na kung paano na. Nakakal mo na. Mama. Sa Ate Eva daw. Hindi ko naman siya kailangan kasi sobrang kapal ng buhok ko. But oh, this is quite nice. Niacin hair system kit. Yan! Kumusta naman ang buhok mo?
Ito, okay pa naman.
Lux oil. Lux oil. Reconstructive elixir. Keratin protection. Pabuhok te. Lagyan natin sa buhok mo. Teka. May demo. Live demo. Ate! Ikaw natin. Demo. Kat! Talikan! Uy, ano katawa? Silip lang. Hi, I'm actually staying in Kat's dorm. Kat is my friend. She's also a finalist in beautyboundasia. And she just finished taking a shower. Me, I have not taken a shower yet.
May bulbous ko yun, no?
Ayun na yun! Ayun! Let's put it on your hair. Oh, yan na lang. Kasi wala pa akong ligo, sayang. Ayan, joke lang. Mag-props nga ako. Kulang ba siya? Oo, no? Si Ate Annabelle, nagsiselo. Bako, ulit mo ang buko. Alam ko siya ang mukha ko eh.
Ba't mabango siya?
Same line pa rin, hair product, S3 hair product from Wella Professionals, Lux Oil, hair mask, Keratin Restore, hair mask. Tabingi siya na tabingi. Parang same mga way, no? Kaya ang kinikilig ko.
Pang ano sa kikilig?
Okay, hair mask.
Hair mask.
Parang oil. And next. Hair mask. Super po. Same pa rin. SP Lux Oil from Wella Professionals. Keratin Protect Shampoo. Hindi ko nga ano ngayon. Alam ako eh. Shampoo. Lightweight, luxurious cleansing. Nice. Shampoo from Wella. Ang bigat-bigat ng box. Oh! Parang big box ito ah. Oh, la. Ayaw ko buksan. Ayun na. Beautyboundasia. Powered by SE2 on YouTube. The Magic Black Box. Ang laki niya. Ayaw ko buksan. Buksan na? Buksan na yan! Whoa! More. Paano ko makakita? Ganda! Ang ganda! More SK2 products! SK2 products! isa-isahin natin. First is Aura Activator CC Cream. Meron akong extra CC Cream kasi nanalo ako or prize kahapon for answering a question. This is... Isa natin. Sige, dress up yung product kay Marimar! Bakit Marimar pangalan niya din? Idol mo si Dalia?
Sikat.
Parang ayaw naman lumabas. Sige, gets mo. So, test niya muna, tapos papakita niya ng mukha niya. Para mag-sure. Kita ka sa mabilis lang. Mabilis. Ano? Ay, ganda na nga. S3 baby na siya. Ay, nag-rush sa box kasi ang ganda ng box. Ang ganda ng box. Next is Whitening Power Spot Specialist. So, usual, parang ano yan, nasa retinoid yung sa'yo. O pang dark spot siya. Sunspots and parang acne marks, pimple marks. Buksan natin. Meron tayong sandaling intermission number. May
Wait lang,
very
kuya.
stupid. Hi na kuya sa camera. Use retinoid. It's like a very strong astringent. It makes your skin really white and soft, but then it will be very sensitive to the sun. So if you expose yourself to the sun without SPF, then yeah, your skin will get burned easily. Yan. Magic. Dasal-dasal na lang na mag-whiten. So next in the box is Cellulation Aura Essence. So natin. Nakablooming ang bottle, no? Ano masasabi mo sa bottle?
Yan yung patalas-lasal.
Ganda, no? Like mother, like daughter. Pero ang sabi nila, it's better to start using anti-aging products when you're young. So when you're in your 20s, okay naman simula. You're still 7. Ganda ka na. Tama? Aking face model na si Marina! Next. Sa previous video, ito yung hinahanap ko sa previous video. And I was hoping na nandun siya sa box, but finally, nandito na siya! Ang Steph Power Eye Cream! Nasa ladies dormitory kasi so maraming tao. Maraming mga tao na nandito. Hindi, silip ka na mo. Magaganda ang mga orders. Hi! Ito yung gusto ko kasi ito talaga yung problem area ko. May scene pa pala. Excited. Di ba dapat yung lalagay pa ganyan? Sabi nila mali daw.
Pag ganun daw, para hindi bumanat yung mukha mo. Kailangan na pag ganun para balik-balik sa dati.
Oh! Tumpok si Ate Annabelle! Ate Emma! Oh my God! Okay, dahil tumpak ka, so yung malalagay ang massage ko pa man daw. Tapos konti-konti lang. Okay na daw yung konti-konti. Oh, sana naman kaya ko nung review nito, gamitin ko siya everyday. And we'll see kung may improvement yung aking eye bags. I think ako yung perfect model ng eye cream. Kasi hindi ako yung eye bags. Makikita talaga kung nag-work siya or hindi. Yun, at saka new packaging with butterfly, limited edition daw to. Tsaka hindi pa siya mabibili sa market. This October pa siya i-release. So we are one of few of the lucky ones who can get this product before it's released to the public. And SK2, look how pretty it is. I can't really zoom in, but you can see it's printed with butterflies. SK2 facial treatment made with Pitera essence. Info card. And then, all of the products are in here. Yung mga products, mga information para hindi na kailangan i-click. Nakita ko na eh. Yay! YouTube t-shirt! But it's good. Gusto talaga magka-YouTube t-shirt. Meron ba ba? It's empty. Wala nang laman. Looking ko nga ng YouTube t-shirt. Yeah. So that's it for the unboxing. And yeah, watch out for another video on, we have another video for the national finals. I hope you continue watching. Again, this is xanapea. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Yeah, thank you and goodbye. Bye!
Wow, bababay tayo. Yan! Aking audience. Ano sa Ate Chris? Wala. Yan.
Bye. Alam ko.